All right, everyone, so a very warm welcome to your Fundamental Forex Beginners course, where I'll be sharing with you what drives the value of currencies and exchange rates and how do traders use economic data to understand when to buy and sell currencies. So in this course, you'll be learning why professional traders, investment bankers, central banks, governments are always tracking economic data to understand the performance of an economy, because what they're trying to understand is how much inflation is there in the country and what is the central bank going to do with interest rates to control inflation, because interest rates literally drive the value of a currency. So you'll be learning how do professional traders look at commodity prices, the bond market, the jobs data that comes out month by month to really understand where is a currency likely to go in value before they take trades in the currency markets. Now, even if you've never studied economic data before, this is all new to you. I've broken down this course in an easy way for you to digest, to learn step by step, and give you the confidence that if you do decide to trade currencies, you'll know exactly what data to look out for to generate high quality trade ideas. We'll also teach you some really important risk management strategies that will teach you how to protect your account when you're trading. So if you do decide to trade currencies, you can trade in confidence that you're not going to lose all your money. You'll also get a free 1-month membership trial to join my trading team, so you can see exactly how I trade currencies, so you can learn how to implement what's taught in the course into the live markets. So everyone, I really hope you enjoyed the content in the course. I look forward to training alongside you very soon. And if you've got any questions, please feel free to contact me or my team and we'll answer any of your questions.